Y'all think we should LS swap it? Man, I think we should LS swap it, huh? Let the Ford stay a Ford.
Too low to the mall, with a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. Color slaughter gang, you get your shit popped. Take up with a drum, this bitch ain't never go stop. Be on that.
What's up, YouTube? 84. Man, listen. Back with it. 2009 Ford Mustang. Got a little front end damage, man. Yeah, man, but we gonna try to handle it right quick, man. Had this car for a little minute, though, but yeah, we gonna try to get it handled. You know what I mean? Hey, shout out to bro. Talk about the owner of this car. Man, bro been patient with me, man. I had a lot going on. He been patient with me. Man, I gotta get him right for the summer, man. Yeah. Gotta get him right, man. Hey. Y'all, as y'all can see, well, let me tell y'all what happened. Alright, he had some front end damage, as y'all can see. So, of course, from the bumper, you can probably tell man, for some reason, this condenser ain't even damaged. But for some reason, the radiator got damaged. The radiator got damaged. I think it's the power steering. Reservoir got damaged. I can't remember if the coolant reservoir got damaged or not. Can't remember. It's been so long, but yeah, we about to swap all that out for him. See, we got another power steering reservoir from the junkyard. We got a coolant reservoir from the junkyard. Y'all, excuse me, y'all, this the shop. Yeah. I don't know where that hubcap come from. My son must have brought that in the yard. Nobody even got no Toyota. But yeah, man, this the hood. Got a little damage. But most of the damage at the bottom, though. I'm gonna try to straighten that out too some more, man. But man, look, this the fenders. Got the driver's side fender. The original, of course. This the damage right there. Y'all think I can straighten that out? What y'all think? Or should I use the junkyard fender? This fender already straight. But of course, that's the color match and the original. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, like I said, man, I'm trying to put it together right quick. Oh yeah, we got a headlight too, but it's inside the car. But I'm gonna try to put it together, man. Y'all stay locked. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We got the radiator and the condenser properly seated. We got it properly seated. Man, but look, I want to try to see if I can bend this right here out a little bit. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can bend this out a little bit. Cut y'all back on. All right, what y'all think? Think it look better than it did, right? I think so. Let's go. All right, y'all see this radiator hose, bottom radiator hose. See where I cut it off at? Y'all think I can use this short piece right here? Let me see. It look like it'll reach, right? Huh? We gonna try it and find out, though. For sure. Yeah. Get into it, though. Get into it. What I'm gonna do right here, y'all see it's off a little bit. Let me show y'all how to turn it. The brackets for the radiator. I'm gonna just probably drill some new holes in it. You know, both sides. Yeah, man. This whole front support, man, that joint was in, man. I pulled that joke out, and guess what I did it with? Sparrow. Hooked that joke up. Sparrow. Huh? Almost tore this Ford up out you. Huh? Almost pull that joke out in the road. Yes, sir. But let's get back to it. Yeah, y'all, the whip been trying to get it out in that corner right there, trying to get this. I had to take the radiator out to get this clamp off, man. Sheesh. So I guess we gotta put it back together after I'm done. We'll see. Alright, y'all, we got our bottom radiator hose on. Had to put a different clamp on it. This one right here wasn't working. But by the time I figured out this was gonna work, this was still on it, so I left it on it. It ain't restricting nothing, so it'll be alright. We got our top radiator hose on. So next, man, we gonna put this fan in. It's an electric fan, man. Y'all LS boys looking for a fan, y'all be overthinking, man. For a Mustang, huh? Y'all see how big that motor is on that fan? And you got your, your temperature sensor on there, huh? It work right for you. All you gotta do is just plug it in. That's it. But yeah, let's see what else we can knock out. We get into it. We get into it. My bad for the sun, y'all, but we get into it. That's why we get into it. Cause of the sun, y'all. Yeah, nice out here today. Yo, nice out here today. Yeah, but we get into it, man. Alright. Hey, Gatorade. Let your boy get a sponsor. Need a sponsorship, man. I be out here all day, every day drinking Gatorade. Ginger ale too. Seagram. Let me get a sponsor. I need a sponsor. Can I have it? You know what I'm saying? Sponsor your boy. Sponsor your boy. Yeah, but let's get to it, man. Alright, y'all. We almost back caught up. Got our top radiator hose on. Got our coolant reservoir hooked up and on. Attached, secured. Y'all can see right there in the middle of the screen. Let me show y'all. Right here. Right there. We got our fan plug back up. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this hose right here out. Because of course you see it's too short to reach the reservoir spigot. So took this one off the old radiator, transfer it and put it on here. Alright, put that on real quick. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Yup, just like that. Back factory. Yup. But look what I caught, y'all. I need to take this back off because when I fill the motor back up with, I don't know if he can use water or coolant, the junk gonna have to be burnt. So I'm gonna go straight from the radiator hose, straight in the block. Just like that, burp it. You know what I mean? So it won't have no overheating issues. Alright? Let's get back to work, man. YouTube. Man, I think I'm done for the day, man. I got a lot accomplished. Did get a lot accomplished, man. I gotta find a way I can I might use some type of washer. So that means I have to take the fan back off, use some type of washer to so that way I can hold it down, you know what I mean? Yeah. But yeah, man, we got everything sort of kind of hooked up. We got the reservoir hooked up, got the radiator hooked up, the fan hooked up. Like I say, I'm gonna take this off so that way when I crank it and fill it up with either water or coolant, you can go ahead and burp the system at the same time. You know what I mean? So we won't have no overheating issues. Summertime coming too. But yeah, man, I'm gonna end this right here, man. Maybe on the next episode, man, we probably knock this part right here out, put the headlight in, and then start probably working on that fender a little bit. Yeah, cause I kinda wanna put that fender back on, but we'll see. But yeah, man, feel good out here, man. Y'all see, true to the religion. Hey, but listen, appreciate y'all watching. Till the next one, we out.